Hello, Park Hyatt. We're back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home. I am your chef, Matt, and this is my sous chef, Zoe. And
Call me Belle.
call her Belle. Today, we are going to be making healthy-ish breakfasts. One of them is our coconut chia pudding. The other is our house-made granola. And actually, we have another special guest here. Hold on, who do you think it's gonna be? Our pastry chef, Andy. All right, well, Andy came up with this granola recipe right after he started, and I think it is excellent. So we're gonna start by jumping right into it and making our granola. Okay, so in our bowl, you only mix with the whisk?
Yeah.
Fair enough. All right, we have here old-fashioned rolled oats. 500 grams of old-fashioned rolled oats. That's the same as one whole container of Quaker oats. And we have our oven set to 275 degrees. And we have some shredded sweetened coconut. Can you help me dump this in? Brown sugar.
Can I taste them?
And a little bit of salt. You want to taste the straight brown sugar? I mean, you really shouldn't.
Please.
What people are going to judge my parenting. All right, I'm not looking. Well, all that? No. All right, well, it was supposed to be 150 grams of brown sugar, but maybe now we have 145 grams. So brown sugar and salt are going in there. All right, it should be 75 grams of sunflower seeds and 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, but instead we just did all walnuts. We used real maple syrup. Okay, just a little taste.
Yummy.
Does it taste mapley?
Uh-huh.
So tell me about, how are things in the kingdom? They're still normal people and not household objects?
Good.
What are you doing? I can't look, I'm stirring. I thought you were going to be my stir helper.
Well, I can't mix with my whisk.
That's good air whisking. We use extra virgin olive oil. It's a nice little, one of the nice little twists that Andy put on this recipe. This is a half a cup or about 100 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Pour it right in. And then we're going to get it onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silpat, 275 degrees for about 1 hour. Ooh, hello. They think you're Belle. Don't tell them that you're not really Belle. So again, once the granola, no, we're almost done. Once the granola is all the way baked and totally cool, we'll stir in the dried fruit and then transfer it to an airtight container. And that's all you have to do. So we are back. We're going to do our second recipe, and that is our coconut chia pudding. There goes the whisk. It is really high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, calcium, and potassium. Really good for you. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. 66 grams of shredded coconut. That's about a quarter cup. And we have 75 grams of chia seeds. 35 grams of honey. I put a tiny bit of vanilla. That's also like 1/8 of a teaspoon. And to this, we're going to add 400 milliliters of coconut milk, which is pretty much your standard size can. Make sure you shake it up really good. Whisk it all up together. Put it in the refrigerator. And that's it. And then we get to eat it. How easy is that? And that's it. That's a wrap. Couple of simple things. Simple, healthy-ish breakfast, snack type treats you can make at home. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're all still staying sane. And I'll talk to you next week. Do you have anything you want to say to everybody?
No.
It's been that kind of day. I'm sure you've been there too. Stay well.